Hey, you're not my keeper. Let me be the man I am. Take away these chains and let me call you friend. I need to touch the fire to relieve the pain. Love released always will remain. If you understand,
you might have life more abundantly. I come that you might have life through eternity. I did not come to condemn the world, nor shame you for your wrong. I have come to mend a broken heart and to give your heart a song. I've come to give you life. I've come to give you joy. I've come to give you life more abundantly, more abundantly.
River running through my soul, I need a chance to see just where this road will take.